HS New Systems produce simplified and streamlined modern automatic distribution solutions. Our goal is growth and development through continuously striving to deliver more efficient solutions. By working closely with our customers, we develop solutions that can adapt to the needs and challenges of their businesses. At DNMH in Aalborg, Denmark, we have installed a new and effective module-based sorting solution for package handling. This solution handles bags, boxes and packages ranging from envelope size and upwards. Our solution can effortlessly handle up to 6,000 units per hour, depending on the size and shape of the packages. Different speeds of each belt section manage the separation of the packages and ensure correct sortation. Barcode and QR scanners make sure all items are tracked throughout their journey. The high-performance diverters take less than a second to change direction, which makes it possible for the solution to run at high speeds. The main advantages of our system are its modularity, the competitive cost, and the endless possibilities that are available through further adaptations.